Burning pretty good, man. Burning pretty good. So, I got a guy finna get ready to get out of high school, man. He want to dive into welding, man. What can you tell him fresh out of high school, man? He's thinking about it. What kind of advice can you give him?
I say it's hard at first, but you know, the more you practice, it get easy. Stay tight.
Stay tight. Hey, you already said it. Stay tight. You already said it. Hey, good advice, fam. Just stay tight. Let me try something.
You want to kick it, you want to pick another thing out and giving it in the wire.
Try that. Tell me how you feel.
There you go.
Fam, try, let's try this here. That's what I just did that whole coupon on up here, and it burned a lot. It burned real good. It didn't give me that forceness it was trying to kick. It gave it more smoother. So try that out and tell me what you think about that one. I just dropped some of that wire down. How did you like that? That was a lot better. I just did a whole coupon like that. I was finishing up, practicing on, and just, oh yeah, it's gonna be a lot better. Now, you was using the coupon, I already had holes in it. So take that one down and go over there and grab you another one, a fresh one over there to run something in, because you done got all them holes in that one. That thing on fire. I'll use that one. That's yours too, man. Yeah, that's a good open one. Yeah, you just, yeah, put one of them. Yeah, there you go, right there. Fitting up a plate. Okay, so I think something
Kind of off, man.
kind of off, just a hair.
Can I heat it up and bring it back?
Right here, you need to cut this one and bring it like this here.
Back a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, bring it
moved
over. You got it tight, but if you tacked it and it moved on. So keep in mind, family, when you tacking these, hold it down because that heat gonna make it do something. It got to do something.
It's full.
So he's making up some test plates, but yeah, that heat gonna do something. So just fix that up and you be good to go.
Yeah, I just when I looked at it,
And here too, you see how you can still see that little dark is on it? Try to get it like you got this here.
Okay.
It's just gonna make it better when you get ready to do your cover pads. It ain't gonna pop out. Okay. That stuff won't pop off of it. Okay. We're in Little Rock, Arkansas, family, at the Goodwill Welding Academy. This is a 16-week welding program where you learn stick welding, flux core welding, MIG welding, and the introduction to TIG. And you learn how to use the plasma torch, the cutting torch, read weld symbols and blueprints, and you get your OSHA 10. 16 weeks, $37.75. $100 deposit to get in this program. You only have to be 18 years or older. Hold on.